I am Kelly with Food for Thought Therapy. Today we are going to be answering some questions that I get often from a lot of my parents. I'm going to do a whole series of Q&As, so be sure to subscribe to my channel here, and I'll be posting a new question and answer every day. So these are actual questions that I get from parents, either in my feeding sessions or just phone calls. So today we're going to take a question from Anna, and she is the mom of a 4-year-old little girl, and she asks, how do I know if it's time for my child to get feeding therapy? And that is a great question. So what I always tell parents is there are a lot of not so many rules, but there are a lot of kind of markers, like is my child eating less than 20 foods, or is my child falling off the growth chart? And those are great indicators and great markers, but there's a lot more to think about when you determine if your child should be getting feeding therapy services or not. So the number one thing I always tell parents, and this might be a little bit out of the ordinary or not what a lot of feeding therapists use, but how much is it impacting or affecting your life? So are you able to go out to restaurants? Are you able to travel without an extra suitcase? Are you constantly worried about your child's health? Are you taking them to the doctor and the doctor's saying, well, they're growing just fine, but you know in your mom heart or your dad heart that, well, they're only growing that well because every meal is a battle and I'm force feeding them food. Or, well, yeah, they're growing just fine, but they get like 4 bottles or cups of Pediasure a day. So really how much it's affecting your life is a really good indicator of if you should seek feeding therapy services or not. Obviously, if your child is nutritionally compromised, that's kind of like the number one. But most of the kids that I see and most of the kids that are in treatment, really it's that eating has gotten to be such a battle and such a struggle that parents just no longer know what to do or know how to handle it. So that's really the number one key I would tell you to keep an eye on, how much it's affecting your life. If you want more tips, be sure to subscribe below. And like I said, I'll be posting a new video every day with different questions from parents. You can also comment below and ask me any questions that you have yourself, and I'll answer them in upcoming videos.